China to begin military drills encircling Taiwan following the steps of Russia. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee meets Prime Minister Narendra Modi at his residence in Delhi on Friday. Keeping aside the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine, our top story of this hour is the starting tension between China and Taiwan, which China is following the footsteps of Russia, while Taiwan is also preparing to defend its own territory backed by USA as allies. China is due on Thursday to kick off its largest ever military exercise encircling Taiwan, in a show of force straddling vital international shipping lanes following a visit to the self-ruled island by U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi. Pelosi left Taiwan Wednesday after a less than 24-hour visit that defied a series of increasingly stark threats from Beijing, which views the island as its territory. At this moment, war between these two territories is certain. The world will witness again the mass destruction and loss of lives. In this case, no one can predict what India is going to behave in this regard. The United States Senate on Wednesday had approved Finland and Sweden's accessions to NATO, and this will be another success story for Europe in defending their countries from Russian invasion. The Nordic countries, which had long maintained neutrality, launched a bid to join the 30-member alliance in light of Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The vote on Wednesday easily surpassed the two-thirds majority needed to back the ratifications of the accession documents, with 95 senators voting in support. At present, it's proof that no one cares what the poet James Kirkup said: all men are same, all men are equal. The world feels that promoting universal brotherhood is less important than to kill peace every single day. James Sonteron, report for International Kirby Daily News. The Trinamool Congress Supremo, who is on a 4-day visit to the national capital, was set to discuss issues like GST dues for the state of West Bengal with the Prime Minister. The West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee met Prime Minister Narendra Modi at his residence in Delhi on 5th of August on Friday. Banerjee is scheduled to meet President Draupadi Murmu later in the day. Banerjee will be in town during the elections for the vice president post, for which the BJP-led NDA has fielded former Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar, who had multiple run-ins with the TMC governor during his tenure in the Raj Bhavan. The elections will be held on August 6, while the opposition has fielded Margaret Alva for the post. The Trinamool Congress has decided to abstain from the election. The Bengal CM, who had skipped a meeting of the Niti Aayog Governing Council last year, is likely to attend the same this time on August 7, which Modi is going to chair the meeting. James Sonteron on latest updates in India, Kirby Daily News.